This is day 1 on Saling Kusog Intramurals 2024. So let's begin in 1, 2, 3. Hello mga guys, here we are at VCU, day 2. In Saling Kusog Intramurals 2024. Time starts now. Guys, for today's video, nagbaktas tapad dulong gym na toyo. So, dayang awarding ceremony pack ako nag-zoom ha, grabe kayo. Supportive jud ko sa Little Authors. So, ira ami daog daay kay ang Little Authors for table tennis for men, and then ang second is ang Senshimera, and the third is the Luring Sirens. Wow, grabe. Amazing, nakaka-proud, nakakataba ng puso. I love it. And then I was a stellar performance dahil nila. So hello guys, we are at the day 3 of our Saling Kusog Intramurals 2024. So let's begin in 1, 2, 3, now! This is day 4 of our Saling Kusog Intramurals 2024. So let's begin. 1, 2, 3, now!